So welcome to the third part of our problem set scenario. There is no shame in accepting that I took the help of the internet to find a solution to this particular problem. So what you need to do is that you need to first of all, it's being stored in var. So it's not something like this. So val to the power equal to 2 equal to the power 2 and then val. This will print basically the value of val to the console. Let's press enter. So see 484. So let's make a smaller value so that the calculation is simple. So enter a value of var will be giving something like 5 5 25. It will be simple to calculate. 22 raised to the power of 2 will be a, so now we'll be performing the same operation. This one val bc. So we are having 5 5 25. Now the question comes, we want to store this inside a file. Simple, give to greater than sign cal dot txt. Let's press enter. Then we need to type cat cal dot txt. Let's press enter. So it's showing 25, fine, from the last of the calculation which we did. Now if we want to record the step as well, so let's take the help of our notepad, that how we record it is to append a file to text, to append to first part of calculation echo bc cal dot text. So this was in this way. So $echo means this will be the operation. So what we will be doing is that we will be doing this particular line. So value is equal to find. So this will be $echo, and inside $echo, let's see the syntax one more time. Within bracket, fine. So now we'll be doing what is that, we'll be doing taking the reference from the same way. Echo val raised to the power of 2, it will be stored inside val, and this line will be written to the cal.txt. Let's press enter. Syntax error again, fine. So echo val 2, val equal to dot val equal to val 2, and we are storing it inside. Let's see the calculation tab one more time. So 5 star 5 equal to, that's the line, and to do the calculation 5 star 5, this is the normal line, fine. So the calculation will be echo, this is the calculation line, so this will be, and the bracket will be closed in here, I guess so, and then it will be stored inside val, and let's press enter. I think we have successfully cal.txt. So it's still showing 25, but this particular line, that is echo of val raised to the power of 2, is being not appended. That particular line, if I want to record this line as well, it's not appended. So let's try this out. Echo val echo, so this is the val, find this line 5 raised to the power 2, this line is not being recorded. Okay, so that's a pretty complex one. Let's delete this line, and so far whatever we have done, let's summarize it, and we'll be again moving into another video. So read from the console, read from the prompt, read -p. So what we need to read is that enter a value, that's a simple operation, and that value will be stored inside a variable. So maybe that variable is num. It will be asking for a value, maybe I will be giving 3. Then we will be performing some mathematical operation. So echo, and this num is to be stored inside a local, another variable. So maybe a variable equal to, so that num is a variable, so variable are declared using $num. Then we need to we can perform this operation on variable in two ways. So maybe variable we are doing a plus operation. So plus equal to 3 plus 10, and it will be stored inside variable. Fine. And then we'll be performing this operation using the basic calculator. 13. Also we can do the same thing. This time we'll be using variable. We can do the same thing by, instead of writing it in a single line, we can say that variable multiplied by 12 into 3 is 36. So that's 36. So this is a short video for doing, asking the user, asking from the console to give the user input and do some mathematical mathematical calculation. What we are stuck with is this particular line. This step we are being able to store the value inside the our text file, but the calculation steps, that what are the steps which yielded the value, that was not being able to being recorded by us and appended to that particular text file. So we'll be again making a video to overcome this problem set scenario. That's all for this short Ubuntu tutorial. Thank you guys and happy coding.